580 box folder gluing machine. Small straight line box production equipment. Pasting side glue job. Paper feed knife, easy adjustment. Pneumatic shaker separates paper, making paper feeding smoother. Glue tank is stable, easy to adjust, easy to clean, and does not leak glue. Folding knife with stable transmission and good folding effect. Induction switch is sensitive and effective with automatic kick paper counting function. The speed of the press is automatically synchronized with the host machine. High quality belt, adjustable pressure, easy adjustment. Good pressing effect, fast speed, and high yield.